Welcome to my new video everybody. So today we will unbox the budget gaming mouse. So let's get started. So here you can see the box of the mouse, Ant ESports gaming mouse. The model number is GM320. So now let's unbox the box and I will show the contents, what inside present is. Now we unwrapping the box. The packaging is very nice, come from the Amazon. Now here is the mouse box. You can see there is nothing much in the box. So here come the mouse, and yes, this is the mouse. I've got it's the braided cable, I guess. Yeah, this is the braided cable, and the packaging is very good. And after that you can see the documentation manual. Here is the documentation, yellow one. No, it's a warranty card, I guess. Yes, and this is the GM320 documentation, how to use the software and all kind. Later onwards I will show you that also, so stay tuned. And yes, now fix the box. Keep aside all of them. Now we came to box and the mouse. Here is the mouse. So unwrap it and now listen to the clicks. I have checked the click is so smooth. You can check it and listen it. Now keep aside and you can see. Now let's have to test it. So before that, yes, and now I am testing the mouse with the keyboard. Now I can talk about that. This product is ordered from Amazon. You can see the price, $649, nearly $650. I have brought it during the time of sale, and during the time the mouse is unavailable on Amazon, you can wait until it's come. And now this is the software. You have to see after installing. This is the software of the mouse. You can change color, DPI, etc. Everything you can customizable. This mouse, it is very good according to me, according to my experience. The buttons is so smooth of the mouse. I used to cut, copy, paste and undo from the function label buttons. So you can see this is my keyboard. My next video is unboxing this keyboard only, so stay tuned for that. Now yes, this is the RGB, not RGB, it's a rainbow keyboard basically. So this is the mouse. It's a proper gaming mouse and it's a budget friendly mouse. I will be recommended if your budget is low and want to game. It's up to 12,800 DPI maximum it can be go. So I hope you like this video, and comment, subscribe and share. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.